There you go.
Benzene.
Yeah, you gotta be very careful. Sometimes, depending on what flavor, it's gonna rise to the top. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kelo. What? And I'm sure you remember Ivan right here.
You guys are synchronized. Like I was.
Cool.
So I'm Yonel.
Alex.
I'm Ivan Manito.
Ivan is a fellow vlogger, and you guys should follow him as well. He's got an amazing YouTube channel, Ivan Manito. Is that how you pronounce it? Ivan Manito?
It's Ivan Manito, but Ivan Manito for the English people.
Yeah.
But yo, my channel is amazing for you guys. I was talking about in the Bronx. And over here in the area, bro, these guys are it, man. I had to come and check them out, and they was like, yo, I got a soda machine. I'm like, what? Elaborate on this.
Yeah, so this is SodaStream. Now, for those of you who are single, not single, or you just want to be at home and then you want to make something with fizz or soda on it, well, SodaStream sells this machine. It comes with a bottle. It takes about 18, 20 ounces of soda. You fill up with regular water, but the trick is in the carbonator right here. So, and this is what gives it the fizz that you get with the
hops.
Is that a flavor thing? Is that
No. So this is not the flavor. That's just the carbonator.
Also, they have ones that are flavors.
Nope, none of them are flavored.
Okay.
Here's a tip, by the way. If you buy these are like 24 bucks. But if you go to Bed Bath & Beyond, you can bring in your old one, get this one for 15 bucks.
Can we go to the movie theaters and look behind the machine and take theirs and bring it in?
No,
Or it's not the same?
It's a different bottle. It's not gonna work. I think it's
probably like this
bigger, you know. But in the beginning, I thought it was like, oh yeah, sure, I'm never gonna have to do that. But these companies are smart. They put this here because you gotta keep buying them. If you don't get these things, you forget about it.
You want to give you one shot deal at soda for life, you know?
Then here we have flavors. I'm huge on trying different things. We have, this one is the root beer. This one here happens to be a like apple, some kind of apple.
Herbalife.
This one is 0 calorie. Weird.
Pink grapefruit.
Now this is the flavor that I just got. This one is supposed to be a pink mojito flavor.
That's what we're going for.
Well, does this have alcohol?
The usual one? No. It's not. You actually add alcohol.
But see, he don't drink, so I don't get it.
I'm serious.
Soon I'm gonna make a video of why.
I am waiting for that day. I'm waiting for that day.
Can we reenact whatever happens on why?
You know,
Wow, that is huge that you said that, because
that's what I want to see.
That actually, there is something that happened that, yes, we could.
So it could be like why I don't drink.
Yes.
Story time.
I would love to see that.
And once you start, it starts back over there. You know, I was walking by, it was a little cold.
Yeah.
I got a shot, and next thing out of nowhere, you know, I started punching people and turned into the Incredible Hulk. This is your typical Sprite, and the last but not least, Diet Cola.
This Diet Cola looked like a medicine bottle.
I know.
No, it looks like soap, like Tide.
Yeah, Milanta.
Milanta.
Wow, that's true. So here we have empty bottle. We're gonna fill it up here.
I'm excited about this. It's like soda. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get this machine depending on the outcome of this.
But don't you have to plug it in?
What? No, that has no plug. This is
Bro,
it. That's all you do.
Also, it's like a wireless soda machine that you can take it anywhere.
But the concept is great. So basically,
Oh, you like that one?
No,
So,
the concept.
What about if we go to like a barbecue and stuff, and then we bring, you don't gotta, no traigan soda, traigan agua. Because
Exactamente.
you bring
That's
the
it.
machine.
That's it.
You never brought that to our barbecues.
Que se lo iban a robar. Good man, good man.
So then what you do is you fill it up, roll it. Now Ivan, you as the guest are gonna do the honors.
Wait, we haven't even picked the flavor yet.
No, you don't do that now. You do the flavor after you add the fizz.
So right now, what is he gonna do with this?
So what he's gonna do,
Press
he's
this
gonna
button.
inject the little bubbles into the soda. So
Got it.
I'm gonna add the hops.
How
Like
many
lemon.
times you gotta press it?
How long?
Just do it. You'll see. Watch.
It's broken. Whoa!
Okay,
What?
so
He broke it.
you asked how do you know when it's ready, right? So that tells you when it's ready. But sometimes I'm the kind of Coca-Cola kind of guy.
Like
and
you
know
want the little
extra bubbles.
bubbles.
So you want to add those little extra bubbles by pressing it again. There you go. So that basically tells you.
Estamos llenos.
Oh, yeah,
we're
that's
good.
cool. Okay, no
We're
more
good.
Right.
bubbles.
So now, Ivan, you're gonna pull it out with this. Just push it back. That's it. Just.
And then
It's that. Like,
You heard that. When you hear that, that's like when you open.
cuando tú abres la soda.
So is it gonna go flat now because
It's not gonna go flat.
All right.
So you make this as you go.
So I drink it now?
Just right now, just as it is, if you're a seltzer water drinker Why buy these things for dollars and dollars and dollars? Just save yourself a lot of money.
It has bubbles, ladies and gentlemen.
Bubbles are there.
Come see the magic.
You have the little fizz, the little bubbles right inside. All right, so here we go. So right now has no flavor. I want to warn you.
No
this
flavor.
is
Let's go.
just
Ready?
Salud.
Salud,
Cheers.
salud.
Wow, that is seltzer water.
That's seltzer
It
water.
is seltzer water, bro. I gotta get this machine. Where'd you say this? Amazon.
They have them at Target, Amazon, everywhere.
So you know where they got them. So I'm taking this one, right? No.
So now, and this is where the piece that you mentioned about the party, you can put these out at a party, you know.
So everyone
and
can get their own whatever flavor they
can
want.
take whatever flavor they want. But right now,
We're gonna pour it in.
we're gonna pour it in.
How much do you pour in? That's
It depends how much flavor, once again, you want injected into it. And also how much calories you want. These are very light on calories, but you're gonna get this little... There you go.
Benzene.
Yeah, you gotta be very careful. Sometimes, depending on what flavor, it's gonna rise to the top. So,
By the way, this product is dishwasher safe.
yes, it is. But I would say a little bit of a warning to some people. I put it in my dishwasher one time,
And it broke.
and the outcome.
I'm just blown away by this. You know me, I love soda. And I have to stop, but this is my gateway.
So right now we're gonna try the pink mojito.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's not
It has-
alcohol.
This is amazing. Look at us. Look at us. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
So I don't drink alcohol. I don't know if this is gonna
Look
taste
at
like
us.
mojito.
This is amazing. This is real. This is
Let
real.
me tell you something.
This is magic.
It tastes healthy, actually.
It tastes very
It
healthy.
makes sense.
It tastes like
but-
pink lemonade though to me.
So you asked how many bottles can you get out of it? On average, I would say, 20, 30, depending how much fizz you want. And
Yeah.
Can you put more? Can you
add
like combine?
You can add more flavor. Yeah, so you can try the apple.
This one?
Yeah, that's the apple one.
All I want to say is, to all you little kids out there, forget the lemonade stand. This is where it's at.
This
Oh
is
my God! Yes.
This is it.
This is a 20th century lemonade
And
stand.
to be
This is
honest, you're correct on that, because you can make regular lemonade. After you make the regular lemonade, you make the fizz, the water. Wow, that is a lot.
This is apple and...
So look what happened. You see how it came up?
It's almost a bomb. Hey man,
It looks like what's that beer?
I mean, I like that.
Salmon Adams. that
root
goes-
beer.
You
This
don't
look.
even drink. How you know about that?
Hey.
The color.
This look like what they drink in Stranger Things to kill the bad guys. Look at us.
Look at us.
Look at us.
Wow,
Oh.
that's actually good. Yeah.
This
One
is-
flavor that I keep stock is apple, and they have one that's like a berry one.
This flavor is refreshing.
You can put it away and like grab
Yeah,
some. Oh,
I put it
my-
away and then you make it. But remember, you make it fresh.
How much is this going for?
The machine can go anywhere from $49 all the way up to $100. So the good thing and the most convenient is you can make it at any time. You don't have to run out into the store to get the soda. And guess what?
imagine
I buy these on sale, so these range anywhere from $2 to $6.
By the way, if you have children, which you do, kids always want to have soda. You can
Yeah.
give them a healthy alternative
Healthier
by giving them
alternative.
something like this. And now they're like, Papi, Papi, Mommy, Mommy, can I get soda? I got you.
I just
Lower
wanna
level
try
content.
this with some nice wings on the side.
Yep.
It's just have this soda fizzle with the burning of the wings, man. This
Do they have like Coca-Cola flavor and all those regular?
All of them. All of them. So
this
Target.
is real. I just burped. Like this, I just really burped. Like this is
So
the real thing.
the soda's work, the fizz
This is a
doing
real
its
thing.
I've had SodaStream now for like about 3-4 years, and I love it.
So you don't like soda,
SodaStream
basically.
is.
I don't buy soda. This is why you
it's
never see soda here.
You changed my life today.
Man,
So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to check out Ivan Manito's YouTube channel
And
or
Instagram.
Ivan Manito's YouTube channel. We're gonna put a link in the description below. Check him out. He has great content. He's a funny guy, amazing person, and we want to thank you for stopping by with us again. And of course, Sabrina is always with us as well.
In the background.
she's the background.
Thank
so
you, yo.
all those
Thank you,
angles,
guys.
that's it.
It's been
She's-
great. It's
yes.
been
All right,
great.
guys. So you
This
know
is
how
awesome.
we finish this. Are you ready?
Oh,
Ready?
wait. Look at us.
Look at
Look
us.
Look at us.
Look at us.
Look at us.
Look at us.
Ready?
All right.
Here we go.
I burped, bro.
Team Burpee, ready?
I
Here we
did.
go.
Team Kano, what?
I'm in the gang now.
No, but I'll I'll get you
This
one.
is dope.
So they have red. They have